Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. 1. Which enzyme is responsible for the replication of DNA? A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. Helicase. D. Ligase. Answer. A. DNA polymerase. Explanation. DNA polymerase catalyzes the synthesis of new DNA strands during replication by adding nucleotides complementary to the template strand. 2. Which structure in the human body prevents food from entering the windpipe during swallowing? A. Trachea. B. Epiglottis. C. Pharynx. D. Larynx. Answer. B. Epiglottis. Explanation. The epiglottis is a flap-like structure that closes over the windpipe during swallowing to prevent food from entering the respiratory tract. 3. Which type of RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome for protein synthesis? A. mRNA. B. tRNA. C. rRNA. D. snRNA. Answer. B. tRNA. Explanation. Transfer RNA, tRNA, brings specific amino acids to the ribosome based on the codons of the messenger RNA, mRNA. 4. Which one of the following is the primary site of glycolysis? A. Mitochondria. B. Cytoplasm. C. Nucleus. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer. B. Cytoplasm. Explanation. Glycolysis is the process of breaking down glucose into pyruvate, and it takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. 5. What is the function of guard cells in plants? A. Transport water. B. Photosynthesis. C. Open and close stomata. D. Absorb minerals. Answer. C. Open and close stomata. Explanation. Guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomata to control gas exchange and water loss in plants. 6. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in humans? A. Liver. B. Appendix. C. Spleen. D. Gallbladder. Answer. B. Appendix. Explanation. The appendix is considered a vestigial organ in humans as it has lost its original function and is now mostly redundant. 7. Which type of immunity is provided by vaccination? A. Passive immunity. B. Active immunity. C. Natural immunity. D. Innate immunity. Answer. B. Active immunity. Explanation. Vaccination stimulates the immune system to produce antibodies and memory cells, providing long-term active immunity against specific pathogens. 8. What is the primary function of bile in digestion? A. Digestion of carbohydrates. B. Emulsification of fats. C. Breakdown of proteins. D. Absorption of vitamins. Answer. B. Emulsification of fats. Explanation. Bile, produced by the liver, emulsifies fats into smaller droplets, aiding in their digestion by lipase enzymes. 9. Which of the following is an example of an anaerobic organism? A. Yeast. B. Amoeba. C. Hydra. D. Paramecium. Answer. A. Yeast. Explanation. Yeast can undergo anaerobic respiration, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide in the absence of oxygen. 10. Which hormone regulates calcium levels in the blood? A. Thyroxine. B. Calcitonin. C. Insulin. D. Glucagon. Answer. B. Calcitonin. Explanation. Calcitonin, secreted by the thyroid gland, lowers blood calcium levels by inhibiting bone resorption. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.